Wow, I'm as tall as you, Dad.
I was bent down, Eva. I'm like way taller than you.
Okay. Welcome back. Today I'm here with my dad, as almost all of you know him, Mike Morgan from Outdoors with the Morgans. It's a beautiful day today, and we're going to do some work with the sawmill. It's my first time using the sawmill, so I'm excited.
Eva, how do you like being here instead of like the beach or something for spring break?
The weather's been nice this week, so it's okay.
Right.
But it's supposed to snow in a few days, so.
This is much nicer being around here than going to the beach somewhere. That's my opinion.
That is your opinion.
Not yours?
So let's get into it.
So I'll show you something, Eva. This is the only time I really need to use the framing square on here. You see the log is perpendicular to the bed on the rail. And I always check that. When I'm sawing one of these red pine logs, I'll take one slab off, one live edge board that will probably get cut into stickers later, flip it 180 degrees, do the same thing, and then I stand it on edge like this. But sometimes it can get a little bit wonky. So once I check this, I know that I'm good. We'll do the same thing on this piece, flip it over again. We have a square cant, they call that. A square log is a cant. What do you think, Eva?
I think it's pretty cool. It was my first time using it, so I liked it.
Yeah, you could see if you did that all day long, it'd be a lot of work.
Yeah, the boards were hard to get off.
Yeah, they kind of stick together a little bit.
Yeah.
I have the easy job running the mill, but it's literally 3 or 4 times faster when someone's helping me,
I'm sure,
than if I'm doing it myself. Now this mill has a board return, and it'll bring the boards that direction, but we don't want them to go that direction. Eventually, I may get some rollers or something, and we could shoot the boards out that way, stack them over there, but this is why you're stacking them over here.
Yeah.
It smells good down here.
It does smell good, but you can't get super close to it, so you have to reach over to grab them, which makes it hard.
What do you think we should do with some of this lumber?
I think that we should build a barn so we can get goats and cows. Fluffy cows.
Fluffy.
The Highlanders.
She loves those cows. They're actually pretty cool. They are.
The mini ones.
Yeah. Boy, what do you think Archie and Axel would think of them?
I think they would love them. They're like another dog.
Pretty much. They really are.
And if we were to get a pig, it'd be like another Piper.
Yeah. Piper does have some pig-like tendencies and noises that she makes and things like that. Yeah.
So hopefully we'll use this wood to build a barn.
Yeah, we've got lots of this stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, lots. You'll have to come down. So you go back to school next week.
On Sunday. So,
on Sunday.
Yeah.
Spring break is over.
Yep.
Well, that's good. It's pretty nice stuff, though.
Yep, stayed busy.
I just asked her if her college has a forestry program. They do not.
I don't think so.
WVU has a big one, and Penn State as well. Penn State's really into the whole agricultural.
They are.
And
they're surrounded by farms. And
yeah, forestry program, but that's good stuff. It is.
I'll have to look into it.
Okay,
so I did my work with the sawmill. That was a little bit of a pre-workout, but I'm now going to get into my actual workout for the day. So I thought I'd take you guys along for a little bit of that, show you some of my stretching and my workout for the day. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a beautiful day, so I'm going to do my workout outside today, and I'll bring you guys along for a little bit of that. Okay guys, so I finished my workout for the day. I only showed you a little bit of my stretching and a little bit of my workout for the day, but lifting the boards off the sawmill was a great pre-workout to my actual workout for the day. So I just want to take you along for a little bit of my workout, but now I'm gonna take Archie on a car ride. I would take Axel, but he gets a little car sick and Piper's a little difficult to get in the Jeep. So I'm gonna take Archie for a ride and I'll bring you along for that. This is why Axel's not coming. Hi! Hi! Hello! So, Axel's gonna stay home and calm down. Okay, I said I was only gonna bring Archie, but Piper tried getting in the car anyways, so I was able to lift her in by myself. So, Archie, say hi. Archie's in the back, and Piper gets shotgun, so we're gonna go for a little ride, and we had to leave Axel behind because he doesn't do too well in the car. Are you guys so excited? So we made it to Starbucks for the little pup cups, and They're both a little awkward in the car, so this has been our trip. Archie, say hi. Say hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. What can I serve for you?
Can I get a venti strawberry acai lemonade with no berries and light ice?
Absolutely. Anything else?
And then 2 pup cups, please.
Absolutely. Is that all?
Yes, that's everything.
$5.99.
Perfect. Thank you. Aww. This is your pup cup? Okay, you're taking a while to eat it. There you go. Aw, you guys so happy? Piper somehow managed to get it on her face. She likes to keep holding the cup, but Archie finished his, so. Archie, how was it? Was it good? There you go. Hey guys, we are back from our Starbucks trip. Archie, can you get out? Can you get out? Archie usually sits in the front. Come on, you got it. Oh, he's also a little nervous. You okay? There you go. And here's Piper. She still has some of her whipped cream on her nose. Come on, Pipe. Come on. Uh-oh. See, why? She just jumped to the driver's seat. This is why Piper usually doesn't come. You need a head start, huh? There you go. This way. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, here's Archie. Piper's making her way over. So that concludes today's video of me working with the sawmill with my dad, a little bit of my workout, and our trip to Starbucks with Piper and Archie. And we missed Axel, but as always, thank you for watching. Like, share with a friend, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Say bye.